The concept introduced by the heading "The Enigma of the Pharaoh's Curse" refers to the legendary curse believed to be unleashed upon those who disturb the resting places of ancient Egyptian pharaohs. Often characterized by mysterious deaths, accidents, or misfortunes, this curse has been a tantalizing subject for both historians and storytellers. The significance of exploring this enigma lies in its ability to bridge the realms of archaeology, history, and popular mythology, offering a compelling narrative about humanity's fascination with ancient cultures and the mysteries they hold. One of the most famous examples illustrating the concept is the discovery of King Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922. Shortly after its opening, several individuals connected to the expedition, including Lord Carnarvon, the financial backer, died under what some considered suspicious circumstances. These events fueled speculation about the existence of a curse, capturing the public's imagination. Another example is the case of the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas, which faced a number of misfortunes and bankruptcies, leading some to believe that it too was under a pharaoh's curse due to its pyramid shape and Egyptian theme. Opinions supporting the idea of the curse often focus on the uncanny timing of misfortunes experienced by those who violated tombs. Proponents argue that these coincidences are too numerous to dismiss entirely. Nonetheless, skeptics point to logical explanations, such as exposure to ancient pathogens or simple coincidence, highlighting the importance of skepticism and scientific inquiry. The concept of the curse is not without its controversies and alternative viewpoints. Some argue that the curse was a modern invention, sensationalized by the media to sell newspapers and bolster interest in archaeological discoveries. Others suggest that the curse narrative served as a convenient explanation for unexpected events, tapping into deep-seated cultural fears and superstitions. This enigma connects to broader themes within the topic by highlighting the intersection of fact and fiction in the study of history. It influences our understanding of how myths are formed and how they persist over time, impacting public perception of historical events and archaeological practices. By examining the curse, we delve into how modern narratives shape our relationship with the past, revealing more about societal values and fears than the ancient Egyptians themselves. Ultimately, the curse serves as a powerful reminder of the tension between scientific evidence and folklore, prompting ongoing debate and curiosity. The curse of the pharaohs refers to the belief that those who disturb the tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs will suffer bad luck, illness, or death. This concept emerged prominently with the discovery of King Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922, led by archaeologist Howard Carter. Following the excavation, several individuals associated with the expedition, including Lord Carnarvon, who funded the dig, died under circumstances that some considered mysterious. This fueled the media frenzy about the existence of a curse, capitalizing on both the fascination and fear surrounding ancient civilizations and their potential for supernatural retribution. The significance of the origins and historical accounts of the curse lies in the way it bridges the enigmatic world of ancient Egypt with modern intrigue, blending archaeology with mysticism. By understanding the roots of this legend, we gain insight into human psychology, our fears, and how media narratives can transform historical events into enduring myths. The allure of the curse highlights society's ongoing fascination with the unknown and the power of ancient origins in shaping our modern cultural landscape. One notable example is the death of Lord Carnarvon, whose death from blood poisoning occurred soon after the tomb's opening. This incident was sensationalized, attributed to the so-called curse, despite the lack of scientific evidence linking his death to the tomb. Another instance is the untimely deaths of other expedition members. Though statistical analyses have shown no significant increase in mortality rates among those involved in the excavation compared to the general population. Opinions supporting the idea of the curse often stem from a romanticized view of history and the allure of connecting the ancient with the spiritual. Some suggest that the curse serves as a narrative device that respects the sanctity of ancient tombs and the legacies they protect. Challenges to the curse narrative include scientific explanations, such as the presence of ancient molds or bacteria in the sealed tombs, potentially affecting the health of those who disturb them. Furthermore, skeptics argue that many purported victims of the curse had external factors contributing to their demise, such as existing health issues. The concept of the curse influences broader discussions about cultural heritage, the ethics of tomb excavation, and the narratives constructed by media. By examining the origins and historical accounts, we delve into how modern interpretations and sensationalism can transform fact into fiction, offering valuable insights into society's ongoing dialogue with its ancient past. Scientific investigations and archaeological perspectives play a crucial role in unraveling the mystery of the curse of the pharaohs, a cultural and historical phenomenon that has captivated imaginations for decades. This concept revolves around the application of modern scientific and archaeological methods to understand the origins and impacts of the alleged curse associated with the tombs of the ancient Egyptian pharaohs. By examining evidence through a scientific lens, experts aim to distinguish between the mythological aspects of the curse and tangible historical realities. The significance of this point lies in its ability to demystify the legends surrounding the curse, providing a clearer picture of ancient Egyptian culture and burial practices. Scientific investigations bring empirical evidence to the forefront, offering insights that dispel many myths surrounding the curse, while archaeological perspectives provide context, helping to place these narratives in the broader scope of history. One notable example involves the analysis of the tomb of Tutankhamun, discovered by Howard Carter in 1922. The alleged curse, thought to have caused the untimely deaths of several individuals associated with the excavation, has been scrutinized through scientific inquiry. Studies have explored the potential presence of ancient molds and bacteria within the tomb, which could have contributed to health issues experienced by those who entered. Another example is the use of modern imaging technologies such as CT scans and DNA analysis, which have been employed to study mummies, offering new perspectives on the health, genetics, and lifestyles of ancient Egyptians. These methods help to clarify natural causes behind some of the mysterious deaths attributed to the curse. Supporters of scientific investigations argue that these approaches provide rational explanations that counter sensationalist narratives, promoting a deeper understanding of archaeology and history. However, challenges arise from the allure of the curse itself, which continues to capture popular imagination. Some contend that the cultural and historical context of ancient Egypt, rich in myth and mysticism, should not be dismissed entirely in favor of purely scientific explanations. This discourse dovetails with other aspects of the main topic by highlighting the intersection between history, culture, and modern scientific methodology. As scientific and archaeological investigations shed light on the realities of ancient Egyptian life, they help to separate fact from fiction, revealing how modern interpretations are often influenced by both contemporary understanding and historical narrative. Ultimately, this approach underscores the importance of comprehensive analysis in uncovering the truth behind enduring myths while respecting the cultural heritage of ancient civilizations. The concept of popular culture and media influence within the context of the curse of the pharaohs, fact, fiction, or modern invention, revolves around how mass media and cultural narratives have shaped public perception of the so-called curse. Popular culture refers to the collection of ideas, perspectives, and trends prevalent in mainstream media and entertainment. When it comes to the curse of the pharaohs, popular culture has played a pivotal role in perpetuating the myth through films, books, and other forms of media, often emphasizing mystery and supernatural elements. The significance of this point is substantial. It highlights how the curse has been sensationalized, influencing societal beliefs and overshadowing scientific explanations. This focus on media influence underscores the power of storytelling in shaping historical narratives and public opinion. By examining this aspect, we can better understand the divergence between fact and fiction, and how modern audiences have been conditioned to interpret the curse through a lens of entertainment rather than historical accuracy. One notable example is the 1932 film The Mummy, which ingrained the idea of a pharaoh's curse into popular imagination, solidifying the connection between ancient Egyptian tombs and malevolent forces. Another example is the extensive media coverage following the discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922. Sensationalist headlines and reports of mysterious deaths among the excavation team fueled the curse narrative, despite scientific evidence pointing to more mundane causes. Some critics argue that media and popular culture have exaggerated the curse narrative for profit and audience engagement, rather than presenting a balanced view. This opinion is supported by academics who emphasize the lack of concrete evidence supporting the existence of a curse, attributing reported incidents to coincidence or psychological effects. However, this narrative faces challenges and controversies. Opponents argue that the curse myth trivializes Egyptian culture and distracts from the significant archaeological achievements and insights derived from such discoveries. Furthermore, some scholars and cultural commentators suggest that perpetuating these myths can lead to misconceptions about ancient civilizations, fostering stereotypes rather than understanding. The influence of popular culture and media extends to other aspects of the main topic by highlighting the human tendency to mythologize history, often leading to sensationalism that obscures factual discourse. This interplay between media and public perception can affect archaeological funding, interest in historical research, and the global appreciation of ancient cultures. By examining the role of popular culture and media, we gain a deeper insight into the dynamic relationship between historical events and modern storytelling, inviting audiences to critically assess the sources and motivations behind the narratives they encounter.